Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we will create a combination of series and parallel circuits. Let's start by building a series circuit. Step 1. Connect the battery terminals with the positive and negative lines of the breadboard, respectively. Step 2. Interconnect the breadboard power rails as shown here. This will help us combine the circuits. Step 3. Place 3 LEDs on the breadboard as shown here. Step 4. Connect one end of the resistor with the negative leg of the LED and its other end with any hole in the negative line of the breadboard. Step 5. With wire, connect the positive leg of the first LED with the negative leg of the second one. Repeat this process for the third LED as well. Finally, connect the positive leg of the third LED with any hole in the positive line of the breadboard as shown here. This way, we have created a circuit in series. Repeat this entire process to create another series circuit as shown here. Since both power rails are working, both series circuits are connected in parallel to each other. This way, if one series connection breaks, it will not affect the working of the other series circuit. Click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action. Play with the circuit to create new combinations of your choice.